Hey everybody, welcome back to Sid's Club. This week we've been talking all about rain on To Weather Kids, and so I thought it would be fun for us to create our own little weather gauge that we could put outside. So what you're going to need is some type of bottle. You could use an empty 2-liter bottle. I'm actually using an empty Pine Sol bottle. Whatever you have around the house, you don't have to go out and get anything for this project. Just use whatever you have handy. Now, if you use a flat bottle, like a 2-liter soda bottle that doesn't have these ridges in it, you can go ahead and take a ruler, and we're just gonna mark a scale onto our empty bottle. You decide what you want the scale to be. You could do it every inch, you could do it every ½ inch, every 2 inches, whatever you wanna do to measure how much rain you get at your house. Now, the reason I wanted to use this Pine Sol bottle is because if you see, it already has these ridges along the whole bottle. So I'm going to use that as my scale. And the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a black Sharpie and I'm just going to number these lines all the way up. Now you're going to cut off the bottom of the bottle. That's going to be where we're going to collect the rain. And you're going to take the top of the bottle, and hopefully you can see, I actually flipped it upside down and I hot glued it so that we can then push this down into the ground so that hopefully it secures it into the ground and it won't blow away on us. All right, so the only thing I need to do is I need to number my little ridges, which is what I'm going to use as my scale. And then we're just going to pop this into the ground and wait for some rain. Now, once you have this in the ground, what you can do is you can make a graph or a chart that you can measure the amount of rainfall that you get at your house, whether you want to do it for a month, a few months at a time, maybe you want to do it for the whole year. Totally up to you. So there you go. You see I have my ridges, my lines here on my bottle numbered from 1 to 7. And now with our cap glued to the top upside down, we are going to try to shove this down into the ground so that we can leave it here to measure some rain. So I'm just going to dig away at the grass here to find a spot that we can push this down in. Can get down in there. We're supposed to get some windy weather tomorrow, so I want to make sure that this isn't going anywhere. So I'm going to really push that down in. All right. Here we go. Now we're going to let this sit and wait for some rain. As you can see, we collected a little bit of water in there, but remember, go ahead and make a chart that matches the scale that you have on your bottle and keep track of the amount of water you collected.